Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. If you are new, you are very welcome. How to make baby spinach with smoked fish? That's what we are going to make today. So in my bowl, I got my baby spinach, which I washed really well. It doesn't matter your baby spinach in the bag, just wash it. Wash all your vegetables when you buy it to the market or supermarket. I washed it, and here I have spring onion, garden egg. If you don't have it, you can use aubergine, onion, green pepper. If you don't like it, you just leave it. Tomatoes, garlic, and leek. Everything is fresh. I'm cooking with fresh vegetables. And that's how I washed it. I just open it and then wash it inside. I used half of it, and that's how the leek looks like. I used the white part. I took the top and the tail part. I used the white part. That's where the flavor is. And here I got my dry smoked fish. If you don't have it, you can put any fish, but the dry smoked fish bring out the flavor, a different flavor. So here I'm going to chop my spinach. Yes, I'm going to chop it. I'm not cooking whole now. I'm going to chop it medium size. Okay guys, if you didn't subscribe to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? If you like this video, please press that subscribe button and press the icon, the bell icon, to be notified when a new video is posted, and share, comment, and like. Here we go. The spinach, everything. I chopped it. I used 3 bags of spinach. And here I go, half a cup of oil. You can use any oil you have at home. Palm oil, rapeseed oil, canola oil. Use any oil you got at home, the one you cook with. I'm going to fry the onion first. So I'm gonna be frying each vegetables like onion, garlic, everything. I'm gonna fry each to bring up the flavor out of all the vegetables. So here, medium heat, I'm frying my onion, and then I'm gonna fry leek. I added leek. Just stir it for a second, 30 seconds, and then add your chopped green pepper, and then I go garden egg and spring onion. And let it cook for 1 minute. And here I'm adding tomatoes. And then garlic. I added garlic last because I didn't want garlic to burn. I didn't want to fry garlic with onion together, because if you fry together, garlic will burn quicker. Because garlic tends to burn quicker. Just leave it for 2 minutes, or until all the tomato water, goes down. And then I'm going to add a vegetable, baby spinach. And at this stage, just keep on stirring. At this stage, you put your heat a bit up, in a high medium heat. You fry your vegetable. What we are going to do, we are going to fry it. You can see I'm not gonna use water. I didn't use water. I didn't add water. Let me say, I did not add water in this recipe. So all the water that you will see came out of the spinach. You just stir it until all the baby spinach goes down. And then here you add your smoked fish, fried fish, anything you want to add. Or if you want to leave it vegetables, you skip this part, because there are some people who love the food veggie. So if you're a vegetarian, no fish, this part skip it, the part I put the dry fish. And here I added 1 teaspoon of seasoning. You can use any seasoning. That the one I use is Vegeta. That's how we call it. It's all-purpose seasoning made with vegetables and salt. I'll cover it for 5 minutes, but you need to stir it time to time. You need to come open and stir it, because we didn't use water. Like I said, I did not use water. I didn't add any water, let me say. I cooked it with spinach water. I tested it and I added 1 teaspoon. The first was a half tablespoon, the first I used, and then lastly I used 1 teaspoon. And cover it, and there you have it. Easy to cook, easy to eat. Bon appétit!